situation na kunwari, vandalize yung facilities sa university. And I heard to conduct an interview about front office receptionist. And what is the front office receptionist job description?
Okay, so the front office is usually the first person that the guest will see, that the guest will encounter. And actually, front office is the hub center of the hotel. It is the nerve center. And the receptionist must always wear good character, good attitude, because you will create the first impression. So you need to be professional. You need to look professional all the time.
Thank you, ma'am. And what are the duties and responsibilities of front office receptionist?
Okay. The duties and responsibilities of a receptionist is actually first is to check in, check out, and be render services through information. So the basic things that we do is, first of all, we welcome and register the guest. And while doing that, you need to create a friendly manner. Like what I said, you need to be professional always. Though you have something you feel bad, you need to look better, you need to look good all the time. And then after that, you need to be familiar with the room availability, of course, so that you will know where to put the reservation for the guest. And then you need to satisfy guest needs and wants, because we all know that we are in the hospitality industry. Then select and block room for the guest, and then work closely with the concierge staff. Check guests out according to set procedures, and also as a cashier, as a receptionist, you also do the cashiering. So you need to know how to convert current currencies to peso. And then issue deposit to taxes. And also, you need to do a report after your shift. And most of all, coordinate with all the departments.
Here's the third question. As a front office receptionist, what is the most difficult situation you have encountered?
The most difficult thing I've ever encountered, I think, being left by the guest with debt. Yeah. Actually, that was July. The guest.
Thank you, ma'am. As a front office receptionist, what is the most difficult situation you have encountered?
The most difficult thing I've ever encountered was being left by the guest with debt. Actually, that was July, so we had nothing to do but to pay for it. And then also, system error. That's the useless thing naman na nangyayari. Then, another question.
My fourth question is, how did you start out the hospitality industry?
Actually, dream, desire, and this is what I really want in my life. Of course, to serve other people and to be part of the hospitality industry. Because of course, someday, I dream of becoming somebody someday in a cruise ship.
Oh,
So that's why, yeah.
Ma'am, my fifth question is, how did you prove to be a receptionist?
Actually, being a receptionist is a tough job. It is difficult to be a receptionist. Like what I said, front office is the hub center and the nerve center of the hotel. Hotel will not run without a front office, without a receptionist inside the front office. So, all the information must come to the receptionist. You won't say, I don't know. Hindi pwedeng sabihin na, hindi ko po alam eh. Sorry. So, all the guests complaining, and then you need to satisfy the guest
They demand.
through, the demands through information. Because we give service through information.
Thank you for all your time, ma'am. Have a nice day.